Which 2010 Christopher Nolan film follows Dom Cobb as he infiltrates layered dream worlds? The correct answer is Inception. Which 2016 coming-of-age drama won the Best Picture Oscar after an infamous envelope mix-up? The correct answer is Moonlight. Which 2012 superhero blockbuster united Iron Man, Captain America, Thor, and the Hulk on one team? The correct answer is The Avengers. Which 2013 animated hit introduced sisters Anna and Elsa of the Kingdom of Arendelle? The correct answer is Frozen. Who directed the 2016 musical romance La La Land? The correct answer is Damien Chazelle. Which 2010 British drama told the story of King George VI overcoming a debilitating stammer? The correct answer is The King's Speech. Which 2014 drama centers on drummer Andrew Neiman and his ruthless instructor Terence Fletcher? The correct answer is Whiplash. Which 2015 Star Wars film reintroduced Rey, Finn, and Kylo Ren to a new generation of fans? The correct answer is Star Wars: The Force Awakens. Which 2018 Marvel Studios film became the first superhero movie nominated for Best Picture? The correct answer is Black Panther. Which 2016 sci-fi drama stars Amy Adams as a linguist attempting to communicate with heptapod aliens? The correct answer is Arrival. Who portrayed Katniss Everdeen throughout the Hunger Games films released in the 2010s? The correct answer is Jennifer Lawrence. Which 2019 Marvel Cinematic Universe film became the highest-grossing movie worldwide until 2021? The correct answer is Avengers: Endgame. Which 2010 drama chronicles the founding of Facebook and the lawsuits that followed? The correct answer is The Social Network. Which filmmaker made his feature directing debut with the 2017 horror hit Get Out? The correct answer is Jordan Peele. Which actress plays astronaut Dr. Ryan Stone in Alfonso Cuarón's 2013 thriller Gravity? The correct answer is Sandra Bullock. Which 2015 action film follows Imperator Furiosa and Max Rokitansky fleeing Immortan Joe across the desert? The correct answer is Mad Max: Fury Road. Which 2019 psychological thriller stars Joaquin Phoenix as Arthur Fleck's descent into madness? The correct answer is Joker. Which 2018 romantic comedy follows Rachel Chu meeting her boyfriend's ultra-wealthy family in Singapore? The correct answer is Crazy Rich Asians. Which 2012 James Bond film celebrated the franchise's 50th anniversary with Adele's title track? The correct answer is Skyfall. Which 2016 biographical drama spotlights the unsung black women mathematicians behind NASA's Mercury missions? The correct answer is Hidden Figures. Which mostly silent, black and white film won the 2011 Academy Award for Best Picture? The correct answer is The Artist. Which 2014 sci-fi epic sends former pilot Cooper through a wormhole in search of humanity's future? The correct answer is Interstellar. Which 2019 South Korean thriller about the Kim and Park families won the 2020 Best Picture Oscar? The correct answer is Parasite. Which 2017 fantasy romance follows Elisa Esposito as she bonds with an amphibious humanoid? The correct answer is The Shape of Water. Which 2018 animated adventure teams Miles Morales with spider heroes from alternate dimensions? The correct answer is Spider-Man: Into the Spider-Verse. Which 2011 finale concluded Harry Potter's cinematic saga with the Battle of Hogwarts? The correct answer is Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows, Part 2. Which 2010 animated film introduced reformed supervillain Gru, his daughters, and the Minions? The correct answer is Despicable Me. Which 2012 dystopian adventure sends tributes into a televised fight to the death? The correct answer is The Hunger Games. Which 2017 superhero film directed by Patty Jenkins brings Diana Prince into the trenches of World War I? The correct answer is Wonder Woman. Which 2013 crime comedy dramatizes an FBI sting inspired by the Abscam scandal? The correct answer is American Hustle. Which 2014 Marvel space adventure features a mixtape-loving crew facing Ronan the Accuser? The correct answer is Guardians of the Galaxy. Which 2019 Quentin Tarantino film follows Rick Dalton and Cliff Booth through a reimagined 1969 Los Angeles? The correct answer is Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. Which 2017 war thriller depicts the evacuation of Allied soldiers from the beaches of northern France? The correct answer is Dunkirk. Which 2015 Pixar film visualizes joy, sadness, anger, fear, and disgust inside 11-year-old Riley's mind? The correct answer is Inside Out. Which 2010 psychological thriller stars Natalie Portman as ballerina Nina Sayers striving for perfection? The correct answer is Black Swan. Which 2018 musical biopic chronicles Freddie Mercury's rise and stadium-shaking performances with Queen? The correct answer is Bohemian Rhapsody. Which 2016 Disney adventure sends a wayfinder across the ocean to restore the heart of Tay Fitty? The correct answer is Moana. Which 2011 sports drama follows Oakland A's GM Billy Beane as he embraces sabermetrics? The correct answer is Moneyball. Which 2017 sci-fi sequel stars Ryan Gosling as replicant Blade Runner K searching for a long-buried secret? The correct answer is Blade Runner 2049. Which 2019 whodunit introduces Detective Benoit Blanc as he untangles the Thromby family mystery? The correct answer is Knives Out. Which 2015 sci-fi adventure strands botanist Mark Watney alone on the Red Planet? The correct answer is The Martian. Which 2012 film adaptation features Hugh Jackman, Anne Hathaway, and Russell Crowe singing through revolutionary France? The correct answer is Les Miserables. Which 2015 spy thriller opens with Ethan Hunt clinging to the exterior of a cargo plane? The correct answer is Mission Impossible: Rogue Nation. Which 2016 superhero comedy stars Ryan Reynolds as the wisecracking mercenary Wade Wilson? The correct answer is Deadpool. Which 2014 romantic drama pairs Hazel Grace Lancaster with Augustus Waters on a heartfelt journey? The correct answer is The Fault in Our Stars. Which 2015 frontier survival drama finally earned Leonardo DiCaprio an acting Oscar? The correct answer is The Revenant. Which 2018 horror film directed by John Krasinski follows a family living in near total silence? The correct answer is A Quiet Place. Which 2011 ensemble rom-com intertwines the love lives of characters like Cal Weaver and Jacob Palmer? The correct answer is Crazy, Stupid, Love. Which 2017 Pixar film follows Miguel into the land of the dead to uncover his family's legacy? The correct answer is Coco. Which 2019 biographical drama stars Christian Bale and Matt Damon as a racing duo building a Ford GT40? The correct answer is Ford vs. Ferrari.